Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Just a quick one. I wanted to show you guys, when you go out shopping for your produce, for your plant-based produce, do not sleep on the reduced aisle. Look at this, guys. Iceberg lettuce, 14p. You know I'm getting some of that. I'm going to use that for my salad tonight. There's another one there. Look, 14p. Was 65p? No, 14p. And it actually was reduced about twice. And it is out of date on the 29th. Today is the 29th, and I'm sure this could go another day or two in the fridge. I'm going to wash them in vinegar and make them last longer. So I've got iceberg lettuce, and look, we've got mushrooms. Organic mushroom, guys, was £2.70, now 69p. So you know I'm going to get about 3 or 4 of this, and I'm going to curry it up so I can have it with my quinoa, and I'm going to freeze several portions of it, guys. So that's how you save money when you're on a plant-based diet. Do not sleep on the reduced price aisle, guys. There's no shame in it, just as long as the produce are still good. If there's nothing wrong with it, it's not rotting or anything, do not sleep on it. 69p. That's another. See, and it's organic. Sainsbury's So Organic, 69p. 300 grams of organic mushrooms, guys. And also for 24p, mini red cross lettuce. I'm gonna get some of these to make my plant-based tacos. I'm gonna fill it with avocado, and it's gonna be so yummy. Also, mushroom stir fry, so I can cook up some of the mushrooms in this, and it also has mushrooms, so I can add extra mushrooms. And this one is 39p, reduced from £1.50. And there's absolutely nothing wrong with it, guys. Perfectly normal. Yep. See if there's anything else. One more of this. I'm gonna get another one, 39p. There's even reduced organic sweet potatoes, 69p, and absolutely nothing wrong with them. See, sweet potatoes, organic, nothing wrong with them. Let's see if I can find anything else. Ooh, that's broccoli, beans and broccoli. I'm gonna get this as well. This is 59p, down from £2.15, so I'm getting this too. In fact, I'm gonna get 2 of these, and I'm also gonna get another bag of the organic sweet potatoes, but this would go nice with my salad, just to give it a bit more depth of flavor, and just to make it have some good carbs in it. And I'm also juicing these. In case you don't know, guys, sweet potatoes and carrots are great for juicing if you have eye problems, or if you just want a burst of energy, just want to make some juice that's going to revitalize you, revitalize your cells. It's full of antioxidants and really, really good. This is also 19p, and this is, it's going to be perfect for my salad. It looks a little bit old, but it's still, I can strip off some of the stuff off of it and still use it, because it's only 19p. That's a bargain. Also, oranges. These oranges, that one is battered, so I'm not going to take that one. This one also battered and soft, so I don't want that one. Some more iceberg lettuce. And another lettuce as well for the tacos, 24p. Yep.